In this video, we will show you how to remove fake Google Sheets extension. Fake Google Sheets browser extension is a malicious software that has data stealing capabilities and can display spam browser notifications. It must be emphasized that this extension is fake, and it is no way associated with the actual Google Sheets extension or its developer, Google. The fake Google Sheets extension obtains permissions following installation. It can spam users with browser notifications. These notifications typically promote online scams, untrustworthy/harmful software, and even malware. Additionally, this fake extension can obtain the browsing histories from all connected devices. In most cases, malicious software also targets the following data from browsers: internet cookies, stored log and credentials, personally identifiable details, saved credit card numbers, and other. The collected information can then be sold to third parties or otherwise abused for profit. This malicious extension can also read and alter data copy-pasted on browsers. This feature could be used as a clipper, a type of software that detects when a cryptolite address is copied and pastes that of a wallet belonging to cyber criminals, thereby rerouting outgoing transfers. In this video, we will show you how to remove fake Google Sheets extension. Fake Google Sheets extension removal. Download and install Combo Cleaner, a recommended anti-malware application. Note that Combo Cleaner is capable of removing spam notifications in Mac, Windows, and Android operating systems. Visit combocleaner.com and download a version for your operating system. After installation, run a quick scan and remove detected threats and issues. Access to all of the features requires premium license. A free 7-day trial is also available. Note: there might be some leftovers after the antivirus scan/deletion, since some of the files are not considered malicious and thus no antivirus software will delete it. Because of that, it is necessary to remove remaining files manually. To do so, open File Explorer and go to your primary hard drive. Go to the following directory where the malicious extension files are located. Delete the folder called Default together with all its content. Right-click Google Chrome browser shortcut and select Properties. Delete the appendix from the target of Chrome browser's shortcut. When completed, apply changes. After that, right-click on Microsoft Edge browser shortcut and select Properties. Delete the appendix from the target of Microsoft Edge browser's shortcut. When completed, apply changes. Note that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. A limited time offer of 30% off for Windows and Mac users is available. Use coupon code PCRISK30 at the checkout. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.